To sell print on demand on eBay with Printify, start by creating a Printify account and connecting it to your eBay store. Printify is a print-on-demand service that allows you to design and sell custom products without holding any inventory. Once you have set up your Printify account, navigate to the Printify dashboard and click on the Stores tab. Then click on the Add New Store button and select eBay as the platform. You will be redirected to eBay, where you will be prompted to authorize Printify to access your eBay account. After connecting your eBay store to Printify, you can start designing your products. Printify offers a wide range of products including t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. You can use Printify's design tool to create your designs or upload your own designs. When designing your products, make sure to follow eBay's policies and guidelines. You can find these policies on eBay's website. It is also important to optimize your product listings with relevant keywords and descriptions to improve visibility and sales. To list your products on eBay, navigate to the Printify dashboard and click on the Products tab. Then click on the Add New Product button. Select the product you want to list and upload your design. Printify will then sync your product with your eBay store. When a customer places an order, Printify will automatically receive the order and produce the product. Printify will then ship the product directly to the customer. You do not have to hold any inventory or handle any shipping. To succeed on eBay with Printify, make sure to provide excellent customer service and respond to customer inquiries in a timely manner. You should also monitor your sales and analytics to optimize your product listings and improve sales. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully sell print on demand on eBay with Printify. Remember to always follow eBay's policies and guidelines and to provide excellent customer service to your customers. With Printify, you can start selling custom products on eBay without any upfront costs or inventory risks.